Here we have taken a one-sided sheet, so it is basically a white and red sheet, making a fold in the middle. Now flipping it up with making a line in the middle in this way, as you can see, making the same with the another side. Now putting all with the help of finger, flipping the each side of the sheet in this way, so it will look like this. Now it's turned to fold on the downward side, so it will look like a line. Now folding the each downward side, so it will shape like this, putting the top portion on the behind, so it's a crab. It's ready. In the next, we have taken a cylindrical cardboard, putting this sheet, a black sheet over it, putting the eyes, face, ear, now leg, cute penguin is ready. In the next, we have taken a yellow sheet, making a fold so it will shape like a plate. Now putting it together, pasting the each portion so it will look like this, making a cut on the top, so making more like that. Putting this cardboard, a lining cardboard in the middle of the flower, making the stem, putting this sunflower into this pink jar, and a bouquet is ready. In the next, we have taken a cylindrical cardboard and coloring it up with the violet, making a cut with this and putting all the cut in this way, making the face, putting the stone, and it's ready. In the next, we have taken a green chart, making a drawing, so any guesses what it is? It's a dinosaur. So just we are putting the black circular sheet on the back and putting this light blue sheet, a triangular light blue sheet, to make it look more attractive. Now using this thermocol glass to make its leg. It's ready. In the next, we have taken a dark blue sheet, making a cut on the downward side and curling it up with the help of the sketch. Now making a fold like this, making its face, putting these sheet, a small circular sheet on its wing. An octopus is ready. In the next, we have taken this orange sheet, making a heart. Now making the cut on the each side, yellow sheet, hearty sheet in this way, so you will get a smiley heart later is ready. In the next, we have taken a circular sheet, putting the pink sheet around it. Now making the ear, making the nose, its face, putting this green sheet all around and making its leg, making its tail. A pig is ready, making more like that. In the next, we have taken a white chart, now cutting the drawn portion in this way, so it is basically a shark, and now putting this all sheet over this clip, a carnivorous fish. Now what we are going to do, flipping it back, so putting this small fish in this way, so it will look like that fish is in its mouth. Now in the next, we are using this sheet, making its roll, putting the antennae, making the face, closing eyes, a smiley face, putting more colorful circular sheet on its back, so a caterpillar is ready. In the next, we are using here a cardboard, putting it over the green sheet, making the eyes, nose, a pinky face, ear. So any guesses what it is? It's a cat, making small cat like that. It's ready. In the next, we have taken a sheet, making a fold in this way, making the fold of the each top of the corner in this way with the help of fingers, opening it up. Now using this hand, using middle finger to make it fold like this, so you will get this like structure. Now flipping it up, so you will get this, and after this done, making a line and cutting the top portion of the line, so it will work like a face of the structure, putting this triangular shape of the face in between, so you will get a moving face is ready. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.